Everybody, it's Ian. I just got done doing the Advanced Cubicles and Compromises workshop for Wild West Hackin' Fest Way West, the virtual edition, and we had a lot of fun. We went through a couple new injects versus our October exercise that was done in Deadwood. Obviously, there's a lot going on in the world right now regarding the coronavirus, and one of the injects that was added in had to do with rapidly spinning up virtualized environments for work at home individuals. Do you have the appropriate infrastructure? Do you have the security reviews necessary to be able to protect your environment? What happens when you don't? So we took some of the same injects, we added in those additional pieces. And of course, the wheel of business was always in play. We've got our dice in play. We found a way to do those dice. And one of the things that happened was figuring out how to do the audio for the injects. And we actually ended up very quickly kind of putting the headphones on the microphone. And that worked a limited degree. But, you learn new things every time you do something. So we know how we're going to do that next time and what we're going to do to make it a much better virtual experience for everyone. But however, great feedback already that people enjoyed it. What I want to do though, especially since we had the issue of the audio, what I'm doing is recording this and we're going to place the videos on YouTube right now, the injects, so you can see them, hear them better, share them. Again, these are for you to use. These, if you want to share them, use them for your own injects, modify them, have a blast. I give them for you to use and make a better incident response exercise for you, your business, and your company. So the first inject we're going to hear is the phone call from the bank telling you that you are $3 million overdrawn and you need to do something about it. The second audio that you're going to hear is the emergency broadcast system letting you know that there's been a large viral outbreak and the governor has declared a state of emergency and all companies are being asked to go through and have workers work remote as much as possible. The next inject that you'll hear is the response to that. Basically, that you put these online and unfortunately left a vulnerability that let some ransomware get in and you have ransomware occur. Also during that time, there is a media report of your organization actually bouncing paychecks, which is the original incident, which is the problem that you're trying to face. But now you've got this whole other viral, literally viral problem to deal with. And just like any security company or any security team in a company, you don't get to take one issue at a time. You have to deal with the issues as they come. So lots of things going on at the same time. And finally, the lawyers come in and save you. So a couple injects actually in order, because I messed with the order there a little. You will hear the phone call from the bank. You will then hear a news media report. You will hear emergency broadcast system. You will hear information around, you'll see your systems get ransomware and encrypted, and then finally, of course, we get that final point of the lawyers there, which actually doesn't have any elements there. So I hope you enjoyed it, especially if you're watching this and you were part of the workshop. Loved having you there. Looking forward to your feedback. Our winner was Ed. Ed, just using your first name there, but Ed will get the lovely Wild West Hackin' Fest chunk of Lexan that I generally have made for everyone. So please do check out the blog information I'm about to put up. We have all the injects and all the other information available. So thanks for coming out if you're here. Hope to see you next time we run one of these, and check out the injects coming now.
You have one unheard message. First unheard message sent yesterday at 7:15 p.m.
Hi, this is Steve calling with First Half Bank. We're calling because the venture firm that set up your account is a very good customer, and it looks like you've made some transfers that put you in the red. We're extending you a $1.5 million line of credit, but that's the most we can do. It looks like your automated payroll is about to hit. Please give us a call as soon as possible. Thanks for using First Half Bank.
End of message. To delete this message, press 7. Message deleted.
An Action News 10 exclusive. Hear about the hot new startup that may have run off with paychecks leaving their employees high and dry.
The governor has announced a state of emergency affecting all counties to prevent the further spread of contagious disease. Beginning today at 9 p.m., all those currently residing in the state should take the following measures. Limit all non-essential travel. Events with gatherings of more than 500 people should be canceled or postponed. All state college and university systems will have classes and events on premise canceled until further notice. Please check your college or university's website for further guidance. Employers should actively limit office-based work and switch to remote or telework where possible. If you believe you have been exposed, please consult medical professionals immediately. Where possible, self-quarantine for up to 2 weeks, limiting any person-to-person contact. Visit local, state, and federal websites for further updated guidance.
Your computer has been ransomed. Deliver 0.5 Bitcoin to our wallet address in the next 24 hours or the keys to recover your data will be permanently erased.